This is a picture of my new home, my little apartment. I love this. Got a keyboard, can jam if I need to. Pretty cool. With this, I can check the tempo on it. Anyway, pretty cool. Got that. There's my little TV. Go in here. This is the bedroom. I've got me my little bed, my little man cave. Go over here. Got my little computer and my desktop. Where I can, of course, clothes. Got all kinds of clothes. And then, got a closet. Give you a heads up, a little closet space. Put things in here. Alright, and then last but not least, got my bathroom. Not too bad. Shower, little place here to laundry. But this is my place. So I'd share it. Have a great one.